Welcome to my little paradise. Today we're gonna spend some hours in my old woodshop prepping a huge Christmas order. But don't worry, the van is still here and we're gonna continue the build out once winter is over. But there's one thing to do right now. I got this new battery charger, so we're gonna quickly hook it up and see if that fixes the starting issues. Back in the warm woodshop. So I'm gonna elaborate on that a bit. A couple of years ago, I was running my own cutting board company, and now I just got an order for 15 cutting boards from a company as Christmas presents. So I just got them back from engraving, and today we're gonna finish them, make some more of the care product, and package them all really nicely. So let's start with the cutting board butter. That's how it should end up looking. Now, the last batch I made was a bit on the wet side, so it had too much mineral oil in it and not enough beeswax. So we're gonna melt down the pot, scoop out some of the finished tins, melt it all back together, put some more beeswax in it, and then we should end up with the perfect consistency. Alright, so that's about 10 pounds of raw organic beeswax. This is gonna take so long, probably 2 or 3 hours to fully melt. So I'm gonna do that. Then we can start with sanding and finishing the cutting boards. Had to quickly get myself a coffee. I've got all the tins cleaned up and the beeswax is melting away nicely. So now it's time to sand the boards. My sander just pretty much gave up, and yeah, I think I gotta buy a new sanding pad. But oh well, at least I got all the boards done. So now on to the next step, getting all the dust off the boards and buttering them up. And once we're done with that, I hope the beeswax is melted thoroughly so we can pour them into the tins, because those are gonna take some more hours to cool off, and I really don't want to be here until midnight. So with that poured, I just wanted to head out and try if the car starts now. But yeah, guess what I can't find.
A few moments later.
All right, found them. So let's see what the charger says. All right. Pretty much what I expected. It did absolutely nothing. So once again, if there's any mechanics, please let me know if you have a clue why it always starts on the third attempt. Are these shots kind of weird? Like everyone knows I gotta come back and get the camera. It's already 8 o'clock and yeah, I decided it's gonna be a project for 2 days. So see you in a bit. We're back and today we're gonna package the cutting boards and finish up making the board butters. So first we gotta clean up the tint and then we can put the labels on there. And then we're already done with the order. Also, I try to not overwhelm you with background stories about my old wood shop, but I'm thinking about making a dedicated video showing you the last couple of years and what I was up to. So if you're interested in seeing how I started that business, then just write a comment down below and I'm gonna make sure to get a video out. Quick ginger shot break before we can continue packing up the cutting boards. Also, if you liked the video so far, hit that thumb up, that would really help me out and let me know that you like this style of content. Also, if you're new around here, feel free to check out the van build videos, which is kind of my big project at the moment. And if you want to be part of my future DIY adventures, then consider subscribing somewhere down below. But now let's finish up the order. Thanks a lot for watching, have a happy new year, and we'll see each other in 2025. Cheers!